Hey YouTube, so I found these nightstands at Goodwill. You can see on the tops there was several damages on them, a lot of wear, some watermarks, which are typical from nightstands. I didn't really want to refinish these nightstands. I was hoping to do kind of a quick repair on them and get them sold. So I'm going to show you what I did to get these nightstands ready to sell. I used afterwash and I poured it into a squirt bottle. I used grade 1 steel wool to kind of clean up the top of the nightstand. This got a lot of the markings off of the nightstand. And the reason why I used pre-wash instead of mineral spirits was pre-wash dries a lot faster. I sanded the tops down with 220 grit sandpaper. I mostly just wanted to scuff them up in order to get the stain to take on the nightstand tops. After sanding them, I wiped them down again with pre-wash. I used a fast-drying stain, a golden oak color. After letting the stain sit for about 2 minutes, I would wipe off the excess. I let the stain dry for about 3 hours before applying a top coat. I applied 3 coats of semi-gloss lacquer. I waited roughly about 30 minutes in between each coat. I am relatively happy with the results I got. I wanted to do a simple repair job on these. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time, and I just wanted to make sure I could get these nightstands in good enough shape to sell them. These nightstands didn't sell for a while at the Goodwill, and I believe it's probably because of the damage on the tops. If I were to keep these nightstands, I probably would have stripped and stained them, but because I was just planning on reselling them and trying to do a quick flip, I thought this process was the best choice. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe.